Behind me you can see our large robotic welding cell, which started its journey well over 2 years ago in terms of getting approval and scoping out the project. We're very happy to be standing here today as it starts producing for us for the first time since its installation and assembly. We had a concept and we had a desire to upgrade and upgrade the capability of the facility, particularly in the fabrication area. We had to scope out what we wanted to do, what we wanted the system to do. That obviously then gave us the size, the envelope, and from that it led us to have to dig the big pit, which is almost the size of an Olympic-sized swimming pool, just because of the size of the components. And then we got into vendor selection. Obviously you can see we eventually partnered with IGM, our partner on this project. And probably after 12 months of working with IGM, we actually started to dig the pit.
A lot of planning that was involved in regards to making space available. We had to clear the bay, so there was a massive operation in removing old machine tools.
The system obviously started with Volvo having the difficult job of getting all the civil works done, which they've done fantastic in a very, very trying period. The COVID stepping in put everything on a bit of a back foot, getting equipment here, getting the cement laid.
The biggest challenge that we had was in regards to lowering the floor level over 2 metres to allow us the height in order to fit the new robot system in. Going subsurface in regards to this particular project is always the risk of water ingress, and as we built this pit and poured the concrete and everything that went with it, we had some issues that appeared that were not foreseen, even in light of all the risk management we put in place, and we had a lot of problems with water ingress. However, through adaptive thinking, changing some of the specifications in regards to how we built the pit walls, we were able to overcome that, still within the time frame and still within the time scale of the actual installation of the robot itself.
It was then the installation of the system, which was quite trying, to be fair, because the manoeuvring of the parts was quite difficult. It is, as you can see, a big system. The system, although it has parts of the system that are off the shelf, 75 to 80% of the system is bespoke. For example, we have upgraded what we call RTSs, which are the floor tracks, which the robots travel along. The robot arm itself is off the shelf, although we've upgraded it to take the TPSI 600 power sources, twins, so we can basically deliver 1200 amps per weld.
Throughput is one thing, the quality is another, but it's very important for our global competitive edge is to reduce the costs of our products and to be continuously looking at ways to be more efficient. We can do that through process improvement, we can do that through capability improvement, and this large welding cell you can see here is significantly reducing the weld time of the largest components we make here in the fabrication shop, which are the chassis or the frames for the large rigid dump trucks and also the bodies.
The initial saving, capital saving, would be the saving on the cycle time of the TA 100 body, which at present probably averages around a week, possibly to manufacture manually for 2 men. The robot system, when in full production, will be producing a body in the region of between 15 and 17 hours per body, giving a 100% saving, if not plus, due to it only potentially needing 1 man to run the system. The other savings on the 400 and 300 body are again the cycle time and quality of weld. The saving not only being in the robot welding times, it's also in the manipulation of the part. It has 2 manipulators, headstock, tailstock, that can manipulate up to 20 tons, 20-25 ton. So there's no craneage involved apart from lifting in, lifting out.
The project and working with IGM has been a long road, you know, sort of 2 years really that we've been working closely with IGM. We've had our bumps along the way, but ultimately it's brought us to where we are today with a brand new, shining, state-of-the-art, I would say, statement piece for this facility. And IGM have been key to that in terms of not only developing, you know, the infrastructure, but also important to talk about the programming and the technology behind that. And we're hoping that we build, you know, a strong roadmap and future collaboration footprint with IGM as we look to do other things in the fabrication area throughout the facility.